Hey guys, I'm out here in the cold. It is pretty chilly out here and it's actually snowing a little bit. But I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Swiss chard and the plants I grew last spring. So hey guys, these are my Swiss chard plants. I have a few varieties. I bought this chard mix. I think a seed packet from the store. These are what I planted last, I think, March, and you can see they are still growing. And here's a little plant in my corner here. So now it is late January in Ohio, and as you can see, Swiss chard is pretty hardy. I mean, it's been a pretty weak winter this year, but the Swiss chard is still growing. I mean, the leaves have got a little bit frostbitten because of the cold, but most of these leaves look pretty good. There's one vegetable that is really hardy and has survived through the winter. I think it's great. This is great because if this is a plant that survives in the cold, you can see that it has survived many nights of zero of freezing temperatures, I would say. So planting these seedlings, March April time frame, I covered them with little buckets when it got too cold, but the seedlings did come up, and you can see the plants right here. I planted them directly into the ground the way the seed packet instructed me to. Nothing hard about it. Here you go, Swiss chard. So guys, Swiss chard I just talked about Swiss chard for your spring, summer, and fall garden. My Swiss chard has survived right through the spring, summer, and fall, giving me fresh Swiss chard. Our family loves Swiss chard. I would recommend it for your garden. So there's one thing that I would recommend you growing, and in my new high tunnel, I was actually thinking of taking and transplanting these plants into my high tunnel in my new house. So currently I'm at my old house, and I was looking at it, and I was like, you know what? I just might as well take these plants to my new house. I hope you enjoyed the information on Swiss chard. Have a good day. God bless.